just want all of you. I just want you to be my girlfriend. I didn't was lonely when I found you, but suddenly you came in my life, and you just didn't go away. You just lived in my mind. You made me so cute, and I want you in my world. I guess I'm in love with you. I didn't even met you yet, but what's the point? You make my heart beat faster, and make sure when your name shows up on my phone, my heart skips a beat. The first time I saw you, damn, you got my heart. You want my heart so easy. I'm thinking about you the whole day, and I'm smiling like an idiot. This was so unexpected that I just met you. There's so many persons in this world, and I had the pleasure to meet you. It's like it was God's deed that we met, so He did brought us together. Miss you in the worst way, and you just don't understand me. Accept me in my worldness. I never dreamed to meet someone like you. I think this is for real, 'cause I would do anything to be with you. I would travel 5 hours just to see you for one. And God, I hope this is true, 'cause you are so amazing in every way. But you are my only one, the only one who has my heart, the one who is in my head. I hope it's the same feelings I have for you. It was not that hard to love you. I just wanted to travel the world with you and forget what others think, 'cause you are my son, huh? You are driving me insane. I want to chase you where you're going. You have changed my life in just the positive side. I don't want to lose you, even if you are not mine yet. But let's take this slowly and get to know each other, 'cause you will see that I will say that you're the best thing that ever happened to me. I just want to hold your hand and show everyone that you are mine, and that we are one. I just want to watch the sunset with you, enjoy the time we spent together, loving the way you smell, the memories we shared, talking about stupid things. Yeah, that's what I want. And no, I'm not joking. And if I have you, I will never let you go, 'cause you will be my everything. And I can't describe the things I feel for you, but I just want you to know that I